terrific to see you here. How does it feel for you to be here amongst the squad that you're here with?
Yeah, it's literally, I've got to keep pinching myself to make sure it's not a dream. I'm not just going to wake up and I'm back up onward, you know. But yeah, it's literally, it's a dream come true. Like, I can't wait, literally. Every day I wake up and it feels like a blessing, really. Because I just literally can't wait to get going. And then when I go back to bed, it's literally go sleep, wake up, do it again. And I just got literally just training, walking around with a smile on my face. And it's a dream. I'm literally living my dream, really.
When did it start twigging with you that it could happen?
I'll probably say after the Championship Player of the Month, when I got awarded that, my agent started saying that Rob Page has been like seeing you play, and for me it was kind of okay. So now he's starting to watch me. I gotta keep performing. But at the same time, I didn't really put a lot of pressure on myself. I just kept going, playing the way I play, and then coming to the other week, being told you've been selected, it was literally speechless. I didn't know what to say. First thing I did, I just called my mum, had my mum in tears on the phone, and you could see how much it meant to her. For her, so she probably never would have thought, like when I was younger, my son's gonna play for Wales. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, it's a dream come true.
When did you meet Rob Page first, and what did he say to you?
To be fair, I met the gaffer here on Sunday. When I first got in, he was at the door and just speaking to him, and you could see he made it clear to me that, look, that I've seen you play a few times. So for me, I only heard it was that one time, but he's seen me play a few times. So yeah, I was talking to him. He's trying to get to know who I am, and I feel like that's very important to feel wanted. And yeah, it's top manager, and seeing him out there, you can see the squad that you've got, and top players here. Some players I used to play with on FIFA not long ago. So yeah, it's amazing feeling.
Now, you've certainly taken your chance. It started off in West Ham and things didn't go quite so well. So you went down the non-league route. You're not the first one. Ashley Williams did something very similar. Kiefer Moore has gone similar lines. Now, what sort of encouragement do you get from seeing that sort of thing?
You kind of, when you read about it, like you said, the two, and then you've got Jamie Vardy, you read it and you look and you just think anything's possible. And if anyone was to talk to me about like advice and all that, I'd literally say like there's a pathway for everyone. Everyone's got their own pathway, I believe. And when you see the likes of Vardy, Williams, and like going from non-league, then playing in the Premier League, then going scoring major tournaments for their country, it's literally, it kind of adds more fuel to myself, because I want to be, when people talk about the next generation, I want them to say, Jamie Vardy, Ashley Williams, Sorba Thomas. So I want to put my name next into that category, and I got my chance on Friday, and I got my chance on Monday.
What are your expectations then? You sound very confident.
Yeah, obviously I'm a confident person. I back my ability 100%. For me, this is just about to come in here and kind of leave my impact and kind of give the manager a bit of a headache, because I don't want him to feel like whatever, like I just want to come enjoy myself, but at the same time come and play a massive role in Wales qualifying for the World Cup.
Finally, there's no doubting that you are a very proud Welshman. There is this little story going around about the FIFA cards and so on. Tell me a little bit about that, how it came about, and your reaction and the reaction of others to it.
Yeah, obviously I'm a massive FIFA fan. I love FIFA, and the fact that when I was told I was going to be on FIFA this year, I was literally like so excited. Like, I couldn't wait till it came out. I thought, okay, I want to see my overall. Like, I used to mess around with it back in on FIFA, create my own player, make myself 99, play the best player in the game, but now get a very realistic overall, and then I saw the overall and I was not impressed, that's for sure. Not impressed. Gave me an England flag, made it very clear, social media, I'm a Welshman, And yeah, it's just, and obviously then seeing when the media team at Huddersfield were telling me that video of you changing the England flag for the Welsh flag literally blew up, like it's gone viral. That's just me just being myself and just changing an era. But the fact that it's gone all over Twitter, all over Instagram, as like a massive thing, and then getting loads of comments from Welsh people, it's kind of, I don't know, it was just weird to me, because it's like, for me, I was just doing something I felt was quite normal, but for other people, it's a massive thing.